If you are using Word document and wanted to insert date and time into your document, there are plenty of options like this one. We can even customize them to any format we want. But if you use Google Docs to write and maintain your documents, you might have noticed that there is no way to simply insert current date and time into the document like how we did in Word document. Although it's shocking to know that Google hasn't yet made that feature available. To circumvent this problem for now, we can make use of code snippets to do that job for us. These are tiny macros that can help us with immediate solutions. No, don't worry about writing any code. It's pretty simple and you too can get it to work after you finish watching this video. Go to your Google document, click on Tools and click on Script Editor. A new script project opens up. Simply clear out all the existing code in it. Let me select all and delete it now. Now go to this code snippet, copy and paste it into this code editor. Save the code and now refresh to reload your Google document. While refreshing, you will see that your code window auto closes out. You can now see that there is a new menu item added which will have a link to inserting date. That's it. But now again, if you want to further customize your date format, then you need to have a basic understanding of what this code does. Basically, the first section creates a new menu within this current Google Docs file called Utilities and adds a menu item called Insert Date. And then the second part of this code inserts the date at your current cursor position in the Google Docs file in bold format. And here's where you can rearrange the date formats or change it to suit your needs. And for possible date formats, you can just check this page out. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit on that like button. Subscribe for more tech solutions for everyday problems and don't forget to hit on the notification bell icon so you will know whenever there is a new tech tip video uploaded. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video.